In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my popular 20-minute meals, chicken with mustard and mushroom. I'm Fiona, welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. So I'm going to chop up my selection of mushrooms, so about 400 grams of mushrooms. We have a selection of mixed mushrooms that I've chopped here. I'm going to pop them onto a dry pan and cook them for about 5 or 6 minutes until they kind of get a nutty texture and some of the moisture will come out of the mushrooms. While the mushrooms are cooking, I'm going to chop up the onion and some chicken breast. So I would use free range chicken breast or possibly organic, but nothing below the free range would be what I would tend to use. So this time we're going to chop the onion into half rounds. Again, we cut off the top, half it and peel it. And we're going to slice down into half rounds. Next, I'm going to chop the chicken, which is going to go in with the onions, into nice thin pieces. So once the chicken is prepared and the onions, we now need to wash our hands and then we will be adding it in with mushrooms. So now the mushrooms have started to cook out. There's a lovely nutty aroma from them, and I'm going to add in the onions and the chicken with just a little bit of oil. The chicken, make sure you wash the board really well. We stir fry this for 1 or 2 minutes. So now we've sealed off the chicken a little bit. We're going to add in our 4 teaspoons of the whole grain mustard, 120 mils of the cream, and then I have about 250 milliliters of water. So the idea with this is that your chicken is almost covered in liquid, but some of the water will evaporate. So rather than using too much cream and having it too heavy, this is a slightly lighter version. So we're going to leave it to simmer for about another 6 minutes and then we'll test it. If you put the lid on top, it'll help speed things up a little bit. While the chicken and mushroom are cooking, I like to chop up some courgette and pop them onto steam. Steaming is a great way of maintaining the nutrients in the vegetables, and they also hold their structure a little bit better. To finish off the chicken with mustard and mushroom, I'm just going to season it a little bit. And I like to serve it with some steamed brown Basmati rice, some of the courgettes that I put on to steam, and then lots of the lovely chicken with mushrooms and mustard and plenty of the sauce for the rice to soak it all up. I hope you enjoyed today's video of the 20-minute meal of chicken with mushroom and mustard. Please subscribe below, like and leave your comment. I'd love to hear what you think. And why not check out my other recipes for how to cook light and fluffy quinoa or recipes like sauerkraut. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.